Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Ready Set Viral, and today we're going to be listing 10 DIY men's tool hacks. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. Number 10, a drill vacuum. For this hack, get a mini fan and cut off the propellers. Once you do that, you're going to want to glue a nail to the back of it. Insert it into a drill and grab a plastic bottle container. Make sure to not have a lid on the bottle, and now you can use it as a vacuum. Number 9, the perfect circle. This hack is really cool. All you're going to need is a pair of pliers, a pencil, a wire, a drill, and paper. To start things off, grab your pair of pliers and start bending it a little bit, enough to fit your pencil. And once you do that, squeeze your pencil in and grab that clip and insert it into a drill. Lay your paper on the table, start using it, and it'll give you a nice result with a cool looking circle. Number 8, apple trimmer. For this one, you're going to need a drill, an apple, and a cutter for the apple. To start, all you need to do is insert the apple into the drill, start spinning, and be careful, but start cutting the apple and the skin should start peeling off immediately. But be careful, as we can't be to blame if something goes wrong here. Number 7, a toothbrush cleaner. Start by drilling a nail into the middle of a brush and put it into your drill and cut off the handle of the toothbrush. Hopefully you have a bottle of soap, you can put some in a bowl and start spinning the drill into the bowl, and you can use it to clean a few things around the house. It's very cool. This one you're going to love. Number 6, a quick hack for you to not get paint everywhere. Let's just say you're painting and you don't want to get it everywhere. Well, next time, wear a pair of rubber gloves, and whenever you need to stop painting, take off your gloves by putting the head of the brush into your hand and take it off. This will protect you from getting paint everywhere. This hack was one that was rather quick and easy. Let's now jump onto number 5. Number 5, removing nails from the wall the wrong way. Instead of removing a nail from the wall by pulling it out with a hammer, we have an easier way. This way you won't scratch up the wall or even ruin it. This one's very easy as you'll have all the items. All you need is when you're using a hammer to remove the nail, put a sponge underneath. It prevents you from damaging the walls in any way. Number 4, using a wrench on something small. So we all know we've been in a place when we tried to use a wrench on something and it was way too big. Here's something you'll find useful. Put some coins on the side of it and it'll work way better. Number 3, Paperclip Screwdriver. Let's say you need to unscrew something very tiny. This hack will help you out. First, get a paper clip and bend it to where it's pointing up. Grab a hammer, slam it on the tip of the paper clip, and now that it's flat, you can use it as a mini screwdriver. Number 2, a hammer fork. Grab a fork and tape it to the front of a hammer. Whenever you slam it into anything, it should give you a nice result of flattening and should altogether just help you out. Now finally, number 1 on our list, magnet hammer. What you're going to need to do is grab a magnet piece and glue it on the bottom of any type of hammer tool. Once it's glued on, put a few pieces of nails on it so whenever you're on the go, you can just grab the nails and apply it to whatever you're building. This makes it really simple if you're just in a rush and you really need to grab the nails super quickly. Trust me, this is such a good hack. I use it all the time. Let us know in the comment section below what you thought of all these hacks, but that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching here on Ready Set Viral. We hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe and watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much. Until we see you guys next time, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now!